Hi everyone, this is Charandeep Kapoor. In this video, we'll be discussing about a strategy which has given a backtested return of 2,860% in the past 2 years. Okay, now this is a no-code algo trading strategy in Bitcoin options, and this is an automated strategy. So basically, we'll also be discussing what this strategy is and how you can deploy this strategy into your account without learning a single line of code, without having to look at charts and without having to trade the options yourself. So we'll be learning how you can deploy this strategy in your account using an automated trading tool known as TradeTron. Okay, let's first understand what this strategy is. Now, a lot of you may have heard about the 920 straddle selling strategy in Nifty and Bank Nifty in the stock market. Now, this strategy is also something similar. So what you have to do something similar here. 6 hours before expiry, you have to sell the at the money call and put option, which is the straddle. Okay. So in Nifty and Bank Nifty, the expiry happens at 3:30 p.m. and traders sell the at the money straddle at 9:20 a.m. So this gives us around 6 hours for expiry. Here we have to do something similar. Now expiry in crypto options is 5:30 p.m. in Indian Standard Time. So we will sell the options, the at the money call and put options on 11:30 a.m. That is 6 hours before expiry. Now, how do you find the at the money options or the at the money straddle? So basically, Bitcoin is trading at around 42,000 right now. So we'll look at the 42,000 call option and the 42,000 put option, and we'll sell both of these options in equal quantities. Okay. And if we were to do this selling every day, what would happen? So the backtest reveals that if you were to do this strategy every day with a capital of $5,000 trading one Bitcoin, then you would have made your $5,000 into $30,000. That is, you would have generated a profit of $25,000. So this is the overall cumulative profit curve of the strategy if you were doing this on a quantity of one Bitcoin. But why would you do it on one Bitcoin? After you have doubled your capital here, so your $5,000 has now become $10,000. Let's also double the quantity. So now, if you were to double your quantity every time your capital doubles, this is how your overall equity curve would now look like. So from a capital of $5,000, you would have made a return of $140,000, which is where we get our 2,860% return. Now, obviously, even though this graph has gone up over time, there are some dips in this graph. So it's not that the strategy is making a profit every time. And if you were to deploy this strategy, you will face some down days also. So let's look at those metrics. So the win rate of this strategy is 66.5%. That is roughly in every three trades, it wins in two trades. Okay. The maximum profit per single trade per BTC is $765. The maximum loss in single trade per BTC is $12,163. And here are the average profit and the average loss numbers, along with the profit factor of 1.61, which suggests that the total profit from winning trades is approximately three times the total losses of from the losing trade. Also, this backtest and this equity curve takes into account of for fees also. The average fees per trade is $29. This is the P&L distribution of this strategy. Now, if you were trading any short selling strategy, or if you do know how to backtest option selling strategy, so this is usually how your P&L distribution will look like. So this is the zero mark, and as you can see, a lot of the profits are concentrated around the zero mark. Okay. Apart from that, there are few profits which are higher, but there are also a few losses which are much higher than the profits which are distributed here. Okay. So mainly all of the numbers are concentrated around the zero mark since this is an option selling strategy, and most of the returns will be around the zero mark. Also, they are skewed towards the positive side since this is an option selling strategy and option selling has a positive skew by default. So this strategy has a positive skew by default. Most of the profits are higher than zero, and also most of the trades are profitable. And most of the metrics lie between the minus 250 to the plus 250 range. Also, You can automate this strategy using Tradetron. So you can subscribe to this strategy on Tradetron and you can deploy this, and Tradetron will automatically connect with your Delta account and sell straddles on your account every day at 11:30. So here is the link to the strategy in this blog, which I'll add in the video description. Also, if you want me to make a specific video on how you can connect Tradetron to your Delta Exchange account and automate your trading strategies, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll add a video for that.